Hello! In this video we will look at breadboards, how they work and why they make our lives easier when prototyping. Breadboards are usually divided into vertical and horizontal strips. The pins on the same strip are connected internally inside the breadboard. A common mistake is to try connecting something in parallel with a strip that doesn't work. The vertical strip is called a bus strip and is meant for supplying power. The bus strip has two columns, one for ground and one for the supply voltage. The horizontal terminal strips are meant for connecting components to the breadboard. Usually, the terminal strips are divided into two sections with a notch separating them. These two sections are not connected to each other. Let us examine this example circuit with a resistor and a LED connected in series. First, the current flows from the power supply to the resistor, from where it continues through the LED to ground. That's everything you need to know. Just remember that breadboards are for prototyping, as the connections aren't reliable. For permanent wiring, use a PCB and solder the components to it. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next one.